Hello everyone, welcome to College Deco's exclusive AP MSET EAP set exam analysis. In this video, we will do a quick review of Shift 1 exam that was conducted on August 24. Today is day 4 of AP MSET and the Shift 1 exam was turned out to be moderate only. It was not very difficult and it was not easy as well. Neither easy nor difficult, and difficulty level was almost similar. We received 8 responses from students so far. So as per that, the overall difficulty level was moderate only. And when it comes to physics, physics was above average, moderately difficult in terms of difficulty level, and chemistry was actually a bit better. It was easy to moderate, and mathematics was again moderate, but time taking section, because 80 questions, obviously it's a time taking section, and there were some very lengthy questions, almost 32 according to the initial feedback we received. 32 questions were easily doable in mathematics section, and rest of the questions were average or difficult in terms of difficulty level. So that's the overall difficulty level was moderate only. So from physics, there was good coverage of syllabus. From mechanics and modern physics had very decent weightage. There were also questions from semiconductors. Semiconductors had almost 2 questions, and there were almost 2 questions from thermodynamics, and there were almost 3 questions from waves and optics. So like very important chapters. So that's the syllabus coverage for physics in Shift 1. And when it comes to mathematics, as usual, like every day it's happening. Coordinate geometry, algebra, calculus, vector had very decent weightage in mathematics section. And when it comes to chemistry, it's a very balanced paper in terms of difficulty level, organic, inorganic, and physical. That's a very balanced paper. Every day students are reporting that their questions are being asked from deleted syllabus. For today, we haven't received any feedback regarding deleted syllabus questions, but there might be some deleted questions from deleted syllabus, because from chemistry, polymers is a deleted chapter, and still questions are being featured from that. And tangents is a deleted chapter from mathematics, but still questions are being featured from it. So if you had appeared for exam, you can share your feedback in the comment section. You can also share if any questions repeated from if any questions appeared from deleted syllabus. And surprisingly, students appearing for upcoming 3 shifts must note that at least 4 to 5 questions are being repeated from previous year papers. Last 3 years previous year papers you can check, because 3 to 5 questions are being repeated from previous year papers. And from IPE, from mathematics and physics, questions are being asked. Like 4 to 5 questions are directly from IPE as well. So stay tuned to College Deco for more updates on AP MSET. Let's meet in the evening with Shift 2 analysis. Today's Shift 2 analysis and day to day. Thank you.